Okay. So today, Lorenzo, our lesson is going to be on geometry. Geometry. And in the course of this lesson, we will be discussing points, lines, line segments, rays, and angles. Okay. So Lorenzo, what is one thing we're going to be talking about today? Bananas, tomatoes, or angles? Angles. Okay, cool. So your old friends, the three stencils. What's the first letter in that word, Lorenzo?
Grab a pencil.
You got it, buddy. First letter. Yep, keep going, Lorenzo.
Come on.
Keep going.
Let's go.
Spelling angles. What's the first letter in
Lorenzo,
angles?
come on, baby, please.
Come on. Look,
Go.
look.
Look at the letter.
Get it? Get it.
Lorenzo.
Lorenzo,
Come on.
look. Get it? Come on. In. Stencil. Remember how to use a stencil? Like that. Now you do it. A. Good. Excellent. After A comes, yep, N. Right back on the horse. Very nice. A-N. You're right there. G. A-N-G. Go. L. After L comes, move your arm. E. Okay, and then the last letter is S. Very good. Yes. Okay. So let's just do one more warm up. Let's spell the word point. P. O. Good. Very good. P-O. Good. I. Nice. After I. N. Absolutely. Last letter. P-O-I-N. T. Okay. Angle. Point. Okay, good. So now points, lines, segments, and rays are the building blocks of geometry. Okay? So lines and segments and rays have to do with an area of math called, what type of math are we talking about today, Lorenzo? Are we talking about algebra or geometry? Keep going. Algebra or geometry?
Spell it out.
G, good. Oh, same board. G, E, okay. G, E. Next letter. O, find it, keep going. M. O, M. Okay, what's the next letter? E, good. Then comes T, nice. Then comes, find it. Geometry, yeah, R, okay, good. And then, last letter. Yep, come on. Y, good, geometry. Nice. I don't know why this pencil's so slippery today. I don't know, maybe you can tell me later, Lorenzo. Geometry, okay, cool. So, you're right about that. That is indeed what we're talking about. When you hear the phrase building blocks, do you think foundation? Like the foundation of a house, maybe? Flimsy? or complete?
E.
F. Okay. So we have flimsy or foundation, it could be. F.
E.
O. Okay, nice. Now let's just finish the spelling in here. F O
E.
U. Keep going, keep going. Next letter. Get it, Lorenzo? F O U
E.
N. Good, good. After N, be careful.
E.
D. Okay, go. Next letter. A. Okay. F O U N D A. Keep going, buddy.
Keep going.
10 comes. Yep.
E.
T. Keep going. After T. Yep. Foundation. Over here, Lorenzo.
Focus.
I know. I see the eyes getting a little droopy. Let's go. Let's go.
E.
I. So I have my red letter board to match my shirt and to wake you up a little bit.
E.
O.
E.
N. Foundation. Nice. Very good, buddy. Very good. Okay. So each block combines to make a structure or cells. Cells are the building blocks of life. First, we're going to answer the question, what is a point? Now, we can make a joke and say, what is the point of the point? A point is an exact location or position. Okay, so Lorenzo, using our makeshift letter board, which one do you think would best represent a point on this board? Fine.
E.
Okay, good, yes, because the one you were reaching for initially, yeah, that's 2 arrows extending in both directions with 2 points. That was a good one, though. Okay, now, what is a point? It is an exact, you got it,
Type it.
fill in the blank.
Let's go.
A point is an exact,
Lorenzo.
Type it.
yeah, let's go.
Type it. Let's go.
An exact what?
E.
L,
E.
O,
E.
C,
E.
A, keep going, buddy. Yep, oh, you almost had it, Let me write this down. L, O, C, A, shun, just like that last word, foundation. Location, foundation. Yep,
E.
T, keep going. Next letter,
E.
I, okay,
A.
O, and
T.
N, good. Yeah, it is a precise location or position. And we can name a point using a letter. Right, so which letter did I use here to name my point? Look.
E.
Over here, touch, find it. What letter did I use to name the point? Do you need to look again?
Lorenzo.
E.
A, good. Okay, very good. Now it's your turn. What if you were to name a point, what letter would you name it? E. Okay, nice. A lot of times with this kind of math, like especially if they're drawing diagrams, it's not a steadfast rule, but a lot of times people will use A and then B. I know that's kind of boring. It doesn't really mix it up well, but it makes logical sense, right? B comes after A. Okay, so can you, let's see. Can you draw another point just like that one? Not on it, but near it.
E.
Oh, just
E.
one single point. And then you said you would name it E. Right? So there's my point. Here's your point. Very good. Okay. Next, we're going to answer the question, what's a line? So I think we talked about it a little bit beforehand, but a line is a collection of points in a straight path that goes on forever. Okay, so a line is a set of points that extends in opposite directions in a fixed way, infinitely, or in a confined way.
Yeah.
What's a good synonym for forever?
E.
I. Keep going, keep going. No, next letter, Lorenzo. Okay. I. Keep going over here.
Keep
Lorenzo,
going.
down at the board, down at the board. I. Next letter.
E.
N. Okay, you can use your fingernail. Your arms are moving. Yep.
E.
F. Keep going. Yep.
E.
I. After I. After I.
E.
T. Okay, next one. E. Have to find the next letter.
E.
L. And don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. You got one more letter. Come on, Lorenzo.
Come on.
Infinitely.
Lorenzo, come on, use the pencil, let's go.
I
Come
see
on,
you're
Lorenzo.
falling asleep in your chair. Do we need to do some jumping jacks?
No.
Okay, so
Alright.
infinitely. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Do the letter.
Is it U or Y?
Come on, do it.
Touch.
E.
Okay, infinitely. Nice. And using our makeshift letterboard, which one is a line that goes on infinitely in both directions?
E.
Yes, nice. That is correct. Okay. We can name a line using 2 points on the line and a symbol with arrows pointing in both directions. This line is named AB, right? So this one over here, just like on our special letterboard, AB. Okay. What would you name your line if you had to choose 2 letters? What's the first letter? First letter is, what's the first letter?
E.
M, and then comes M what? Come on, Lorenzo.
Come on.
Lorenzo, M.
Lorenzo,
Over
cut
here.
it out.
M.
Loren,
M. Don't tighten up your wrist. M what?
E.
I. Oh, your line would be called MI. Okay. That's an interesting choice of letters. As we said, sometimes certain mathematicians and people like that like to choose 2 letters in a row in the alphabet, but you can choose whichever ones you want. That's a nice pair of consecutive, or not consecutive, but it's a nice pair of letters. Okay, let's draw that line with your 2 points, which I did for you, all right? So save you the trouble. So now we're going to answer the question, what is a line? Segment, right? So line segment, S-E-G-M-E-N-T. The line segment is a part of the line. It has 2 end points. 2 end points, right? That's why it's just a segment. It doesn't go on forever. This line segment is called, just like the one we've been using, AB or MI as you used it. So what is a line segment known for? It's known
E.
H
E.
A, keep going,
E.
V, H-A-V, next letter,
E.
I,
E.
N,
G.
having, keep going, having what? Having,
E.
T,
E.
W, find it, get it, move your arm, I'm not moving the board, you move your arm, T-W, O, okay. T-W-O,
E.
P, okay, keep going, P. Come on, Lorenzo, over this way, bring it this way, Lorenzo. Follow my directions.
E.
O,
E.
I,
E.
N, keep going, you have 2 letters left.
E.
T,
E.
S, yes, a line segment has 2 endpoints. Okay, very good. So if somebody asks you, if they were to say, describe a line to me, you would say that it has 2 what kind of points? E, N, E, N,
T.
end points. Okay, can you see on this penciled in letterboard which one is a segment, line segment with 2 end points?
Which one's it, baby?
Boom. They're 100% on these ones. They were this way. All right. Yes, they have 2 endpoints. Okay, finally we're gonna answer the question, what is a ray? A ray is a part of a line, has 1 endpoint, so R-A-Y, not R-E-Y. 1 endpoint. We'll use an L for Lorenzo for our endpoint. Okay? A ray is a part of a line and has 1 endpoint, continues forever in the other direction. Okay, so what is a ray? Can you describe a ray for me, Lorenzo? Over here. What are some things about a ray that we need to know?
E.
O,
E.
N,
T.
1 what?
E.
E,
N.
N, yep. Keep going.
E.
1 end, okay, 1 end,
E.
P, yep.
T.
O,
E.
I,
E.
N,
T.
T, and that is a, what's the name of that thing?
E.
R, good Lorenzo, very good listening.
E.
A, very good paying attention. Yep, R-A, your hand's getting closer, getting warmer, hot, burning up.
A.
Y, nice, yes. Yes, 1 endpoint. And that is a ray. And so, what about the other side of the ray? We have 1 endpoint, and then the other side does what? Keep going, you got it. I saw you lift the hand. Let's go. What does the other side of the ray do?
E.
C. Keep going.
E.
O.
D.
N. Keep going, buddy. C-O-N. After C-O-N. Keep it going, Lorenzo, over here.
Come on, baby, wake up, Lorenzo.
C-O-N.
Loren.
Yeah, you got T. After T comes
E.
I,
E.
N, all the way down the corner. Move.
E.
U,
E.
E,
E.
continues.
E.
I,
E.
N, keep going, move that arm, you gotta move the whole arm. I, N,
E.
F, I, N, F,
E.
I,
E.
N, Keep going. Keep going, buddy. Keep going. INF. INF. Keep going, buddy.
Come on,
Keep going.
wake up. Let's go.
INF.
E.
IN. Keep going, keep going. I.
Come on, Lorenzo.
E.
T. You got it. Good job. Keep
Last
going.
letter. Go.
Keep going.
E.
E. Then we have a. What comes next? Getting hot.
E.
L. And then last letter. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Come on, come on. Not T. You know that. Come on. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Y. Continues infinitely. Okay. So a line continues infinitely in both directions. A ray continues infinitely in one direction. Very nice. Okay, you can name a ray using its endpoint, one other point on the ray, and a symbol with an arrow pointing in one direction. This ray is named A, B. Okay, so which one is the ray on this sheet, buddy?
That one.
Nice, nice. I agree. Okay, and using our number board, how many points does a ray have?
Lorenzo. Lorenz.
How many points does a ray have? No, not the symbol. Find the number of points it has. A ray.
E.
1 point. Very good. Very good. Okay, so using the 2 points you provided when drawing a line, so that's, what was that, M, you wanted to use MI. Okay, so here, let's do it together. I'll help you do hand over hand. So we have 2 points on our array. So we have over here M. Look what we're doing, buddy. You gotta follow along with it while you're doing it, or while we're doing it. And then you push. Go through all the way. All the way. Okay, and then we'll put a little arrow on the end. See how it's going in one direction? Your array was a little, not the shortest distance, right between 2 points, so I just had to tighten it up a little bit. But you did a good job. Okay, now when 2 rays share the same point. So here's our point. Let's put points here too. Let's go A, B, C. Okay. So when they share the same point, same endpoint, they form an angle. That is the space between the 2 approaching lines. Right? So this looks like kind of like a 45-degree angle. Okay. Okay. So which one represents an angle over here? Yep.
E.
And yes, that's right. Very good. And can you show me where the degree is?
Yeah.
Like, let's say our angle here is 45 degrees. No, almost.
E.
Yes, right. We're talking about this little, it's a little circle on top of the last number. Not sure where that came from, but maybe we'll look it up later. Okay. So the space between two approaching lines is called an
E.
A,
E.
N,
C.
G,
C.
L, E. An angle. Very good. Very good. The endpoints where both rays meet is called the vertex. Okay, so this guy right here, the 2 points, VERTEX. And the two rays are known as sides. Okay, so here. Okay. Now someone might ask, why do we use, and we name them with different letters, right? We named ours A, B, C. Now, why do we use all three letters? Okay. The benefit of naming an angle using all three letters is that we can clearly name both rays as AB and AC. Okay, this avoids confusion. Okay, it's asking, what is this? But it doesn't have a diagram there, so I'm gonna make my own diagram, okay? What is this one called? This is KL. What do you think? Is this a line, a ray, an angle? L, I, N, a line. Yes, you're right, because it extends in both directions infinitely. Okay, then they ask a number of other questions. Let's just do one more. Okay, what happens if it looks like this? What is this? Right there.
E.
Oh, N? I don't know if it starts with N. It's a, yes, L, I, N.
C.
It's a line.
E.
S. Keep going, keep going. E. S, E. Next letter.
E.
G. Then comes
E.
M. After M, followed up with a
E.
E. Then we have
E.
N. Then we have
E.
T. Line segment. Where is it? You just wrote segment. Yes. It's a line segment. Okay. Alright, well, then they just ask a number of the other ones, like angles, rays, stuff like that. But I'm pretty confident that you know that. Now let's... Okay, what do you think? Here's a creative question. Let's name one thing that's infinite or eternal, meaning never ending, has no bounds, or countless. Okay, this will be our last question of this particular lesson that we're filming. We'll move on to the next one next. What's something that's infinite or eternal?
E.
I,
E.
N,
E.
O, after O,
E.
U,
D.
in hour,
E.
H,
E.
O, find the next one,
E.
U,
E.
S, keep going, keep going, keep going,
E.
in our house,
E.
in our house, what's the next one, keep going, what's the next letter, in our house, what
E.
M,
E.
O,
E.
M,
E.
S,
C.
L,
E.
O, L, O, L, O, R, or
E.
O, V,
E.
E, mom's love, keep going, buddy,
E.
I,
E.
is,
E.
I,
E.
N, Be careful.
E.
I,
T.
N,
T.
I,
A.
T, and then comes
E.
E. Okay, nice.
That was sweet, Lorenzo.
In our house, Mom's love is infinite. Okay, very good, Lorenzo. Good geometry lesson.
Ithaca.
Yeah, nice.